Time's now 4:44. Let's get over to Peyton.
Thank you, Leslie. Yes, we continue to get ready for our big Arctic cold front headed our way just before Christmas, but we've still got some gloomy weather to get through. Live radar this morning showing we are doing okay. We're somewhat wedged between two areas of showers. Showers to the north up around Macomb, and then showers down into the Gulf. We do have a gale warning, by the way, so really breezy out there, very choppy out in the Gulf and on the lake, so just keep that in mind. But this morning things are relatively dry, just still a little damp from some overnight showers. That will change. Temperatures are going to stay in the 50s today, some even in the 40s. Notice showers to the north eventually start to translate to more showers developing closer to the city, and we'll have some on and off showers throughout a big part of the late morning and through portions of the afternoon. By this evening, though, things are drying out and we'll still have the clouds around, but tomorrow does look like a drier day. So you still have several more days to get your property ready. Maybe you need to do pipe things around the house. Just remember all that. Also, Christmas decorations. I've been taking down some of the decorations that I know will blow away because it is going to be extremely windy Thursday night in all of Friday. So keep that in mind as you make your preparations for freezing temperatures. Also some very strong winds coming in with that cold front. So 50s today and tomorrow, near 70 on Thursday. The Arctic front will move in Thursday night, and by Friday morning we are in the teens and 20s. Data has been trending a little bit colder for Friday morning, and then boy, it is cold all the way until around Monday morning of next week. So there could be some that don't even get above freezing for maybe over 30 to 40 hours for an extended period of time. Your wind gusts Friday morning over 40 miles an hour for a lot of people. So very, very windy as that cold front blows in and is pushing the Arctic area. And so Friday morning as you wake up, wind chills will be in the single digits for the North Shore, the teens here on the South Shore, and here's what the actual temperatures are going to be. Teens on the North Shore, mid-20s on the South Shore. So hard freeze on both sides of the lake potentially by Friday morning. Same thing Saturday morning, maybe even a degree or two colder Sunday morning for Christmas. Hard freeze north of the lake. We may not have a hard freeze south of the lake, but you already have your pipes protected at that point, so just don't worry about them. And then Monday morning, another hard freeze on the North Shore. So we're going to have cold mornings for about 4 mornings, and then we'll gradually warm things up next week. So the Arctic cold front, here is kind of what we're watching here. What's likely? Extremely cold. It's going to get cold, no doubt about it. By Friday morning, pipe bursting conditions, and that'll last several mornings all the way until Monday. What's a big maybe? Maybe a little snow? It's possible. We see a flake or two, but it's not a setup that's going to produce big snow across the south. This is not going to be a snowstorm, but there may be a flurry or two, especially into Mississippi. And what is unlikely? Accumulation in snow on ice. We're not expecting road problems from ice, but it will be windy Friday, so that'll make for treacherous driving conditions. And if you are traveling, leaving today or tomorrow is probably your best bet. So you can see there's a few little snow flurries moving through as the cold front blows in. The moisture's leaving with it, so it'll be a fine line to thread. There's also another disturbance that's going to be coming across Oklahoma Saturday on Christmas Eve that may produce some flurries northern Louisiana into central Mississippi. I don't think we're going to see any flurries from that, but up around Jackson by Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon, maybe a flurry or two, but shouldn't be a big deal. So your 7-day forecast, getting ready for the Arctic air. This will be one of our coldest Christmases on record. That should tell you something. And you can see there 68 Thursday. That's going to be our warmest day. And then the bottom falls out and we're in the 20s and teens by Friday morning.